Step-by-step video installation for the Lemaar Rectangle Smart Lock. Part 1. Door direction. Step 1. Identify the direction which the door opens. Part 2. Change handle direction of the front panel. Step 1. For right-handed, remove the screw from L side, rotate handle to the right side and refix screw in R side. For left-handed, remove the screw from the R side, rotate handle to the left side and refix screw in the L side. Part 3. Change handle direction of the back panel. Step 1. For right-handed back panel, remove the screw below the spindle. Rotate reversing device to R direction and refix screw. For left-handed back panel, remove the screw below the spindle. Rotate reversing device to L direction and refix screw. Part 4. Installing the smart lock. Step 1. Position the drilling template on the door and drill holes. Step 2. Insert the high-security dead latch and fasten screws tight. Step 3. Push the spring in and fix the spindle to the clutch on the front plate. Attach screw bolts. Step 4. Feed cable, spindle and screw bolts through the door holes from outside to inside. Step 5. Connect the back plate cable to the front panel cable. Align the back handle to the spindle. Fix with screws. Step 6. Install the batteries and battery cover. Fasten with screw. Step 7. Insert the strike plate box and strike plate. Fasten with screws.